which statement is true about the given figure. This figure is given, and now first is 4 pairs of perpendicular lines. See here I have marked a pair of perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines means what? Those who have 90 degrees in between. So one, this is in red, this blue, and this third. Now are there 4? No. So A is wrong. Next, 17 angles in the figure. Now what you do is you start counting. At each node, this is called as node. A point where other lines intersect is known as node. So there are 17 angles. Let's see. 4 over here, 4 over here, 8. Here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 4 plus 6, 14. And here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 20. So how many angles are there? 20 angles. What is it given? 17. So B is wrong. Next, only one pair of parallel line. So see, these two are parallel lines which don't intersect. Are there any other parallel lines? No. So only one pair. So this is correct. And D, 6 of the angles are acute. Acute means less than 90. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 angles. You can count it. And so the answer is C only.